Hi, I'm Lauren and I'm delighted to bring to you our new Rotating Tools Catalogue for 2019. It's packed with a comprehensive range of milling cutters, indexable milling, edge preparation, hole making, taps and dies, thread and groove milling and tool holding. This 1100 page catalogue contains many fantastic new products for you to try, such as the Ali Power HPC milling cutter for high performance machining of aluminium, also the Mac drill for high performance drilling on exotic materials. We have also taken the opportunity to expand various ranges to broaden our offering, including machine taps, countersinks, chamfer mills, thread mills and groove milling tools. To celebrate the launch of the new catalogue, we are offering buy two get one free on all the high-speed steel and carbide drills, machine taps and hand taps, indexable drill bodies and all the spindle tooling and accessories in the catalogue. If you would like to request your free copy of the catalogue, please get in touch by calling 01924 869 610 or emailing sales@cutwel.net. Thank you very much for watching.